how to record your screen and have yourself on screen as well as that rounded figure that's all over the screen. So thanks to AI Coach Meg. Shout out to you, AI Coach Meg, with this question. The two apps that I'm referring to. The first app is called Descript. When you select Descript and you download Descript from Google, there's a free version of Descript that you can use, and you can record all you want, and you record the screen, and it's available to anyone to use. So there are two options that are available. You could record just camera without the screen, and you could record with yourself on screen. So as soon as you hit the screen record, you see me at the bottom there. And one tip, look at the lens and not yourself, because when you look at yourself, it just looks funny. When you're looking at the lens, it looks like you're looking at us, your audience who are watching. And as soon as you select screen and you start recording, it'll ask you to record the part of the screen or the full screen if you place the space bar, and then it starts recording. As you can see, the recording is loading and it counts us down. And then you can record your screen and teach us all you need to teach us with the screen behind and you on camera. So with you being done recording, you can press the red button to stop the recording. There's also below that the pause button that you can press if you wanted to pause and you wanted to gather your thoughts or whatever. Once you're done recording, you will then click on the stop button. It will take you through to render the video, and then it will be saved under projects. Then you can find your video on projects. You can then download it, or you could do whatever you need to do. Share it, because the tool allows for sharing as well. I'll be doing a full video explaining Descript because I am affiliated with Descript. I love Descript, and I do have the paid version of Descript, as it allows more features like taking out the ums and the ahs, taking out the sounds behind the video, and it really has amazing tools that you could use with your video editing. Let's jump into Loom. Loom.com is another tool that you could record your screen and yourself on camera for free. There is a paid version as well, but I'm not affiliated with Loom. So you can have a look at the tool. It's very user-friendly. The interface is quite easy. When you would like to record the screen, you just press the record button and it will start loading the camera and give you the option to switch off the camera or switch it on. It's entirely up to you. Once you're ready, you just press start the record and you record the screen and you teach us and you have lots of fun with us. As easy as that. Once you're done, you press stop and then it saves it on your project as well. And then you can download the video and then use it as you please. There you have it. I hope this helps a lot. And I can't wait to see your videos out there. Enjoy using these tools. I absolutely enjoy using these tools and seeing myself in a small screen. For me, that's very pleasurable. Then I can teach you on the screen. That makes sense to me because I am that kind of coach. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you on our next video.